How to see who you follow on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily find who you follow or your following list on Amazon. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Amazon app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you're logged in, you'll land on the home page here. Now, the first thing you do is tap on your profile icon right here at the bottom. And then once you tap on your profile, you're just going to tap on your profile name again. And then from here, tap on view profile. And once you land on this page, all you have to do is tap on this option right here, see your post, review, and other public content. Here you'll be able to see your followers and your following content, so just tap on it. As you can see, I currently do not have an account, but if you have an account, then what you can do is simply tap on that profile icon, and then you will be able to see your followers and following list like this. So you can just go ahead and tap on your following or followers list, and then you should be able to view your following list. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.